Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at XRP. Now, uh, I know a lot of people, Bitcoin is the talk of the show, um, and I would agree. Uh, Bitcoin's now over $20,000, and because of that, things change. Now, I did mention in my previous video on Bitcoin today that um, the jury's still not out if this is a like a sideways movement still. We saw in the prior to patterns, if you want to call it that, this one specifically and also this one, we saw instances of it spike out, there and there, and it's not $20,000, but at this time we were waiting for the break of $10,000, and here we were waiting for the break of 12. And each time it gave us that, and it retraced back down. And that could possibly happen here. We don't know, but again, the jury's still out. However, a bigger argument one might say about this, and I'm a proponent of that I believe this would happen again, is that when Bitcoin tends to break its prior all-time high, we see a surge move in altcoins. And you can uh, mention Ethereum, which it does, but today I'm talking about XRP. Why? Because in my previous videos, I've always not like I've always said that buying buying XRP before Bitcoin reaches its prior all-time high is not a wise move in my opinion. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm sure a lot of you do own XRP, and the ones who hold a lot of it, I'm sure you love it. And I'm not here to take preference on one coin or the other. I just want to increase my portfolio and gain that ROI. And that is the truth from me. I will not tell you that I'm in it for the tech. The tech is nice and it's very exciting, but I'm here to make money. And in this case, XRP is a coin that can make you a lot of money. And 90% of the time, it's not. And but that 10% of the time can make you a lot of money. And I'm banking about that 10% now. That now is we're now over the prior all-time high. So just for a visual representation, I'll bring out XRP BTC Poloniex chart, and we can see it here. So you can see that when Bitcoin gets past its prior all-time high, so at the time of the 2017 bull market, it was that $1,000 high. When Bitcoin passes it, comes back down, makes its support. That's when we saw XRP shoot up like over 1,000%. The second time it mooned was when it reached its new all-time high, the highest it's ever been since yesterday. XRP moved again. We are now in the same situation, and the question remains: like, is this something that you're willing to take a risk on? In this situation, Bitcoin's now at over $20,000. What do you do? And in my personal opinion, I said yes. The risk is worth it. And let me clarify a few things. I did not put my entire portfolio into XRP. I put less than small, very small compared to everything else. It's basically less than 5%. What that consisted of was I sold part of my Monero position, mainly because now Bitcoin's over $20,000. I feel like potentially that might the scenario that I painted out, the theory that Monero will shoot up before altcoins do and before Bitcoin does, past the prior all-time high, is slowly fading. I mean, it could still possibly happen with Bitcoin coming back down and then trying again. Could possibly happen, but that scenario is kind of gone, and so I was already in the green still. I sold and moved it to XRP, because with this condition now met of $20,000, XRP is gonna net you a better return. I sold a bit of my Celsius and my a little bit of Ethereum, uh, and all of that came up to about less than 5% worth to buy into XRP. So it was a little bit of portfolio reshuffling this morning, but I think I think this is the position that I'm comfortable with, and for better or for worse, I bought all of it this morning, and we'll see. I don't think I'll buy any more if it goes any higher. I don't think so. Actually, I'm pretty certain I won't. As soon as it starts moving up, I'm starting to sell. Because I think with XRP, coins like XRP, it's coins where you want to get in, get out real quick. And the idea is that you want to buy as close to this pump as theoretically possible. And you know, considering the position Bitcoin's in, I think we're fairly close. And so yeah, I opened up a less than 5% position at around. I drew the line here at about 2440, around that area, 2440 sats. And these white lines are basically my sell indicators. These are my sell lines, just to visually represent them here for you. No, I'm not waiting for the absolute top to sell. I understand that if it does move, the possibility of it moving higher than this level here is really high, but I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. I just, with XRP, this is the kind of trades that I want to make. And, a second thing that comes to mind, and I'm sure a lot of people are saying now is, well, you could have bought down here, right? Weren't you waiting for the downtrend channel? Yes, I was. However, I said that the main priority was that Bitcoin needs to be at $20,000 or higher for me to consider. And if that condition is met, then I will take a look at where XRP is in regards to, what price it is against Bitcoin. And, the main concern was like, well, I don't want to be buying here or up here when it's at $20,000. No, I want it to be as close to the trading channel as possible. Right now, we're fairly there. I think this is as close as I would be willing to buy in, at a difference of maybe like 200 sats. That's basically the difference, between the red line into the price. So with that said, I think this is as close as we would get. It could go lower. If that's the case, then so be it. I don't think I'll be buying anymore. I'm comfortable with 4% of my position, no more, no less. And I'm just gonna let it ride and see what happens. If I'm right, I'm gonna be netting a pretty good return. If I'm wrong, well, 4%. It's not that bad. Anyway, considering the fact that XRP moves quick and moves hard, be prepared for maybe some more frequent Ripple videos, especially if it moves like this, because we are going to be documenting it every step of the way. If you do like the video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below, and also consider subscribing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.